It's June 1st. This is Internet and Web Tech, homework number 5. It is apparently homework that troubles people quite a lot, and I will say the instructions make it a little daunting, and the two videos that were like an hour long each, yeah, they were an hour long each, and I hope that this video is a little more straight to the point and useful. So to begin, what is the assignment? We want to have an Amazon website, or we want to have an EC2 instance that hosts our Chapter 19 folder. And once it hosts the Chapter 19 folder, we want to make sure figure 1915-16 works. That's it. That's the whole assignment. And you can see here I have a server, and we can connect to that. Look, it works. And I've already uploaded Chapter 19. And, well, look at that. It works. How did I do that? Well, actually, if you go to the same IP address, which I will provide in the description below, and go to slides. Oh, well, these are the instructions, actually. I really recommend you check out these instructions. These will have a secondary GitHub link, just so that they remain a little more permanent and can last longer. But I will gladly just give these to whoever wants them. Just email me. But yeah, no, this is it. It's super easy. Just follow these instructions. They go into like getting your key, just kind of giving you not like step by step, this is exactly where you need to click, but just telling you the big call outs. This should be a pretty self-contained guide. The only part that I would say you might want to change is step 6. Or actually, it would be step 4 technically, and step 6. Step 4 is we upload our files to the machine, to the Linux machine. That's great. Step 6 is we modify a file in the Linux machine. How about instead of that, and what file are we modifying? We're modifying the database PHP. Modify this first, then upload it, because just do that. This is how I modified it. We have a connect to MySQL. And in this if statement, we're connecting using credentials. I believe here, for you, it probably says root, and then the password looks like that. Well, you could see here, I gave myself other credentials, and I'm not going to save that. And these are the credentials I gave it: user, homework 5 user, and password 123. Just, yeah, that's the only change I would say for these slides. But you can do this. This works. You just have to learn what Nano is and like doing that kind of stuff. But after that, that's it. That's the whole assignment. You just upload it, follow these instructions, and these instructions are very straightforward. You, 1, create an Amazon web server. You create an EC2 instance. You install the LAMP stack. You connect it to your computer via SSH. Or your server, I guess, via SSH. You install the needed dependencies. You give yourself the proper permissions to upload the files. You upload the files. Then you create the database. You run the script that creates the database, and you create the user that needs to use the database. And then you open up your folders that you upload. That's it. What's amazing, if you just upload all of Chapter 19, here's the script to create your database. Here are 2 other scripts needed as well. Yeah, it's really straightforward. The assignment is not that hard. I think it's just a little confusing. But once again, here we go, Chapter 19. And all of these work. Here we go. And you can see here, the IP address changes. Or not the IP address, the URL changes. It's a little harder to see because it's so long, but yeah.